What's up, YouTube? Mr. Schmelly here again with another video. Today we're going to add another Power Rangers Lightning Collection figure to the playlist. It is Lord Zedd, the second season villain, if I remember. It's been a while. He is an interesting one because he actually has his they're like tubing going through his body or something. This one seems a little loose, but we'll get into that in a little bit later. But for now, let's take a look at his packaging. Of course, it is what I'm going to start calling the standard Lightning Collection box. You have the image of the character with lightning in the background in their colors. Power Rangers Lightning Collection, Mighty Morphin Lord Zedd. The Jibber Jabber. The Lord Zedd art on the side. The, the CG rendering or something? Because he doesn't look that good. His colors are different, but either way, he looks fine. Warnings. More art. Power Rangers. Color. That's pretty much it. Cool. So what does it come with? Lord Zedd comes with his iconic staff. Now, it's just basic, grayish, wannabe silver plastic, but it's not silver. It's more like a, you could see it's almost somewhat clear. I don't know. In person, it looks like it could be clear, but it's not fully clear. But it is this gray plastic. You can see there's no actual detail on it. And this is the original release. There was another one that came out with the 2-pack with Rita. I guess they corrected the staff, and this goes the other way. So like that, with the Z going like that. Can't remember what the correction was. But the staff, about his height. I don't know what this is called, but it's that bomb thing he throws to make his creatures grow, you know. He could hold it in his hand, that one. So 2 different hands, kind of like the opened, but like claw hand type. Not sure what this is for. And of course you need the fisted hand. And your effects piece, which probably wraps around this. Something, you know, like that. It all makes me think of what is it, the effects that came with most Marvel Legends, probably. The only line I could think of right now is the storm effects. I don't know, not sure they're exactly the same, but they remind me of it. Except those are in yellow, this is in red. So, out the way, the figure. The exposed brain looks very nice. The silver. All this is flimsy, very loose. This is probably the stiffest one. So the issue with this, it didn't have the painted claws, even though they seem to be there, they just weren't painted. It does feel rather loose. It almost has like a wash to it, or it's been painted to look like that. Again, these do detach. That. You just gotta be careful with this because it could, I mean, it's enough to extend, but kind of they don't look so nice, I guess. They're just there. And something about his feet, though. They look small to me. And this has, I guess, doesn't really stay flush or nicely on there. Ooh, good job. Doesn't really stay nicely on there. And doesn't have a peg or anything like the others. But yeah, these peg off. Okay. And they go back on. So, for the articulation. And that is articulation. The tubes do interfere with it. It's not ideal, I guess. It does get in the way. But he did have these in the show. So I guess it's necessary? I'm not sure. I guess it's better to have them out here than have them painted on. The body looks great. It's loose. It's very loose. It's very loose. From the arms, the legs. I mean, everything feels very loose. I'm surprised I got on the stand earlier, honestly. So, for comparison, let's bring back that Pink Ranger. It's right there. But yeah. Pretty cool. So there you have it. I think he should be maybe like slightly taller now. Maybe they should be shorter, but I don't know. But that is a quick look at Lord Zedd. If you like what you saw, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Give this video a like if you liked it. If you didn't, dislike it. And then comment down below what you didn't like, how I can improve, what I can do. But that is it. And as always, just want to say thanks for watching. Jib Jabber. Well, you know, not gonna